Welcome to our overview of Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA services. After watching this video, you'll be able to identify and use the services offered by FBA. FBA offers several services that can help make sellers' jobs easier. Let's find out what services are available and how you can benefit from using them. There are 5 core FBA services: Amazon Preferred Carriers, FBA Label, FBA Prep, FBA Repackaging, Inventory Placement, and Manual Processing. You can find the help page for each service by searching for FBA services in Seller Central. With Amazon Preferred Carriers, sellers receive discounted rates for shipping their inventory to fulfillment centers. This is available for small parcel delivery or SPD shipments, less than truckload or LTL shipments, and full truckload or FTL shipments within South Africa. Using a preferred carrier for these shipments can reduce costs and simplify your send to Amazon workflow. Next, you can use the FBA label service to have Amazon apply barcode labels to your inventory for a per-item fee. Your products can't be prohibited, restricted, or of high value, and they must have a single scannable barcode that corresponds to an ASIN in Amazon's catalog. Note that your product must have a product ID or GTIN, like a UPC or EAN, in order to be eligible for the FBA label service. If your product doesn't have a product ID and barcode, you must label it yourself. Next, you can use the FBA Prep service to have Amazon prepare your inventory for a per-unit fee so that it meets FBA Prep requirements. Each unit must have a product ID and scannable barcode. If Amazon preps your products, the FBA label service may be included automatically for selected products. You would then be charged the applicable per-item fee. With FBA Repackaging, Amazon will repackage your eligible FBA items that customers have returned so the items can be resold, saving you time. With the Inventory Placement service, you can send all of your inventory to a single fulfillment center instead of sending multiple shipments to several destinations. Amazon will distribute it for you for a per-item fee. Through this service, your products become available for sale as soon as we successfully receive them at any of our fulfillment centers. Lastly, with the Manual Processing service, you don't have to provide box content information when you ship inventory through FBA. Amazon will manually process your boxes at the fulfillment center for a per-item fee. Note that each box you include must have its own unique FBA box ID label printed, even if you're not providing box content information. Learn more about each service by searching for FBA services in Seller Central. This concludes our overview of FBA services. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.